Some stories are not born for entertainment. Some stories are born to transform us. This is one such story. It is about a secret hidden by time, about a door that never opens for the ignorant. Between endless mountain ranges, there lies a land untouched by maps, a village rarely visited by outsiders. Its name is Suvarnapuram. When people hear the name, they think of gold. But those who live there feel nothing about that name, because they know the truth. What is hidden there is not wealth. At the edge of the village stands an ancient ruined temple. Rain has fallen, time has passed, yet the temple never collapsed. The village elders tell their children only one thing: those who have no need will never reach that place. Only those who truly need it can enter. At the same time, a young historian is traveling toward the village. His name is Aditya. Aditya does not seek gold. He does not seek fame. He seeks only one thing: truth. One day, while studying an ancient palm leaf manuscript, he finds a single line. A door closes itself to ignorant hands. It opens only to those with pure intention. Those words stay with him. In the same manuscript, he finds the name Suvarnapuram. At that very moment, Aditya makes a decision. He must see the village. He must find out whether the door truly exists. The journey is not easy. Dense forests, rock-filled paths, routes that do not exist on any map. Many times he feels like turning back, but every time those words return to his mind. If the intention is pure. Finally, Aditya reaches Suvarnapuram. The village is silent and peaceful. No one questions him, but in every pair of eyes there is caution. Aditya walks toward the temple. As he steps inside, a cold wind brushes past him. The walls are filled with paintings. Not stories of wars, not stories of kings. They are stories of choices. In one painting, a man leaves gold behind and picks up a book. In another, a man abandons power and accepts responsibility. At the center of the temple, words are carved into stone. If your journey is for yourself, stop here. If it is for others, move forward. Aditya stands still. He questions his own heart. Why did I come here? The answer rises within him. To understand the truth, to understand history, not for himself, but for everyone. At that moment, a hidden door slowly opens. Behind it lies a dark chamber. Inside, there are only two objects. One is a golden chest decorated with diamonds. The other is a simple empty book. On the wall, the final message appears. One will make your life easy, the other will give your life meaning. Aditya does not hesitate. His hands reach for the empty book. The ground trembles softly. Words begin to appear on its pages. They are not stories, they are principles. Leadership is not authority. Knowledge is not information. Legacy is not wealth. True wealth is responsibility. Aditya reads silently. There is no shock on his face, only peace. After a while, the words fade away. The temple returns to silence. Aditya steps outside. The village elders look at him. They do not ask questions. They already understand. Aditya leaves Suvarnapuram with empty hands, but with a new responsibility within him. From that day on, Aditya never speaks about the village. But the wisdom he gained is reflected in every action of his life. This is not just a story. It is the story of a door that exists within each of us. A door that does not open with gold, but only with wisdom.